Let's start with Dick's Sporting Goods. This stock is down 2% right now, but up 18% year to date. So it's been doing pretty well. And in the past year, it's up 34%. Dick's posted an earnings miss for last quarter. It is trying to get Foot Locker back to growth. Remember, it bought the legacy sneaker store back in September for about $2.5 billion. So it incurred over $96 million in charges related to that acquisition last quarter. And so those expenses contributed to a miss on Dick's bottom line. Top line results, though, did beat expectations. And this is coming from analysis at Bloomberg Intelligence. They say Dick's Sporting Goods has strong momentum for its legacy business heading into the summer and the back-to-school shopping season. My goodness, back to school. We didn't even finish this school season. And then the World Cup, a possible catalyst for more same-store sales surprises. Apparently that merch is already out in the stores.
Talking of merch, I mean, the stock's down, right?
Yeah.
So I'm sitting in the food court yesterday having my English breakfast, full English. Anne-Marie Horton comes up to me, and she's dressed in this gazillion, multiple $100 sparkle. I'm sitting in the first row, Knicks jacket.
Love it.
And she goes, "Does it work?" And I said, "Well, it's the Knicks. It's got to work." I mean, can you imagine the merch
get one of
Dick's
those.
is doing? She got it at Dick's Sporting Goods.
All right.
Okay, there you go. Let's go. Let's stick with retail and do a little Lululemon. This stock is up better than 3% right now, and we know they've been going through it. I mean, it's down 39% year to date, down 60% in the past year. They're trying to get their sales up. There have been executive changes at Lululemon. Well, now the company's making nice with its founder, Chip Wilson. Just this morning, it entered an agreement with Wilson to end their messy proxy fight. Wilson started that back in December. He is their largest shareholder. Under terms of the deal, Wilson's going to get 2 board seats. And in exchange, he's not going to badmouth Lululemon. It says in the agreement for around a year and a half. So what happens after that?
Exactly.
Then you can trash the place. I don't know what the lawyers were thinking about there, but Lululemon, it's the stock is getting a nice bump today. And then Bath and Body Works. Oh, I just realized they're all retail stocks.
All retail. That's okay. That's the time of year. This is
It's so true. So this is the soap and candle retailer. You smell it the minute you walk into the stores. Stock is up 12% here today. It reported lower first quarter sales. The company is overhauling its strategy to return to growth. But you know what? Even though sales fell, they still came in better than expected. Also, guidance matched street estimates, full year guidance maintained, and their CFO has stepped down, and they're naming somebody else on an interim basis. They expect to generate free cash flow of about $600 million. But I did not get this. I did not know this. TD Cowen analysts saying there is more downside risk for Bath and Body Works given their exposure to the Middle East. Do you know they get 5% of their sales from the Middle East?
Did not know that.
I've never gotten a company. I mean, I don't care because I'm in the triple leveraged all cash, but I just...
Candles are not your thing, Tom.
No, they're not.
It's okay.
And I guess the markup's like 400%. You got anything else?
I mean, I can do a little Target for you.
I got the Anne-Marie coat here. I can see you in this, Alexis. The Pro Standard Women's New York Knicks Black Legacy varsity jacket.
Oh, a varsity jacket, like with the big letters or like a big
K. The big letters, and
Do you think I can expense it?
I would. I think Redo expensed Anne-Marie Horton.
Job expense.
I mean, same with Alexis Christoforous.